The compact SUV market is thriving these days. After all, they're the perfect vehicles if you want to transition from your sedan or truck. That's why a number of automakers are banking on this particular segment, as almost all car consumers are willing to buy a small SUV. And if you're one of those buyers, then I can recommend some models that you can drive from the dealership without having to think a lot. Hello everyone, this is Scott from Carland TV. It's time to get in the front seat, as today, I am going to unveil some of the best compact or subcompact SUVs you can buy today in a heartbeat. Now buckle up and let's get back to the video. 2025 Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage should be one of the small SUVs you seriously need to consider if you're planning to get a reliable and comfortable ride in 2025. It may not be as popular as the RAV4 or CR-V, but trust me, this one delivers. Under the hood of the Kia Sportage is a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers up to 187 ponies. It's not a lot, I know, but all I am saying is that this thing is perfect for your daily commutes. If you want a cruiser or agile speedster, you can skip this SUV entirely. Other than that, the Sportage would be ideal for you. Going forward, its engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, effectively replacing the former 6-speed, which resulted in improved acceleration and more refined gear shifts. Of course, this makes the 2025 Sportage more suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. It also has a notably spacious interior for its size. Both the front and rear seats are properly spaced, while the cargo area offers a decent amount of room where you can stash your groceries or daily belongings. Similar to the rest of the SUVs you're about to see here, it has all the bells and whistles of modern transport. The infotainment is user-friendly and comes with a large touchscreen display and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android. Above all things, it's also a safe ride. It has a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, such as forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, which should improve your confidence when driving this rather reliable SUV. 2025 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is one of those small SUVs that are tough and adept enough to conquer beaten paths and terrains that other SUVs can't possibly tread. Its 2025 model is also an upgrade, with the most significant enhancement, in my opinion, being the introduction of a hybrid powertrain in its lineup. This combines a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with dual electric motors, which in turn generates a combined output of 194 horsepower. Not that much, but it's to a degree where it matches its acceleration with a more conservative means of consuming fuel. Similar to the general schematics of hybrid systems, the Forester's hybrid powertrain intelligently switches between the gasoline engine and electric motors so that it can run more efficiently, regardless of the road condition. Regardless of which model you choose, the Forester is equipped with its legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, and this is a standard feature across all trims. It's a tested and tried AWD, one that you can ensure can provide the right kind of traction across various terrains. Plus, its EyeSight driver assist technology elaborately offers a suite of safety features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance, and they really improve the overall rapport of the Forester as a reliable off-roader. And oh, did I say that this thing has more or less 9 inches of ground clearance, making it adept at handling both urban roads and off-road adventures. Inside this thing is a properly spaced cabin, and you'll love that it has ample headroom and legroom. Even adult occupants won't find it difficult to actually relax inside this SUV. This is further complemented by an updated infotainment system featuring an 11.6-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Compared to its predecessors, I really find that the 2025 Forester has a quieter cabin, which it achieved through increased use of sound-deadening materials. That's another point of its comfort factor. Plus, its exterior design has been refreshed, featuring a more rugged appearance with flared fenders and a bold grille while maintaining the Forester's signature boxy silhouette. 2025 Mazda CX-50. Another small SUV that you can figuratively buy with your eyes closed is the 2025 model Mazda CX-50. This SUV distinguishes itself among all the compact SUVs within its segment as it styles the roads with its agile handling and near-luxury appeal. It is also notable that the 2025 model of the CX-50 finally introduced a hybrid variant, which enhances its fuel efficiency, minus the need to sacrifice or compromise the signature driving dynamics of Mazda. In particular, this hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, and the combined output of these two renders up to 227 horsepower and 310 pound-foot of torque. Also, this setup achieves an impressive fuel economy of around 38 miles per gallon combined, which is a big improvement to what its gas model variant can achieve. The interior maintains Mazda's actual pursuit to quality. It's not dominated by plastic, and instead features premium materials and a design that technically rivals luxury competitors. All of its trims have a standard all-wheel drive, which is a huge plus since it basically complements the zesty driving demeanor of the CX-50. Now you can guarantee that it remains stable and grippy, whether you swerve it on slippery surfaces. It also has precise and well-weighted steering, which I really appreciate since it improves overall handling. The suspension isn't that stellar, but it can tame minor imperfections on the road. 2025 Toyota RAV4. I really love how the 2025 RAV4 has improved from its predecessors. It's no longer that sparse and Spartan ride that everybody seems to detest. This time, the RAV4 got new things under its assembly, such as performance, comfort, and advanced features. The base model of the RAV4 is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which already produces up to 203 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque. So for daily commutes, this one is more than enough. It also uses an 8-speed automatic transmission, which allows the RAV4 to deliver reliable and efficient performance suitable for both city commuting and highway driving. It's fitted with a front-wheel drive across all trims, but it is also available in an all-wheel drive setup if you're looking for extra traction. Its interior is properly designed with optimized controls for easy navigation of its features, while the entire interior has ample space, allowing it to provide roughly 38 inches of rear legroom and 37.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats. And once you fold the rear seats, you'll be getting approximately 70 cubic feet of free usable space for your cargo. The way I see it, the 2025 RAV4 has a composed and balanced drive. Its suspension works smoothly and efficiently in dealing with road imperfections, while the steering is definitely responsive and properly weighted. But while it's true that its cabin is technically quiet, you'll eventually pick up its engine noise once you start hitting the gas of this SUV. This is the reason why the CR-V feels more refined than the RAV4. But then again, that doesn't take away the fact this SUV is a complete, reliable package. And oh, its standard features include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 suite offers a range of driver assistance technologies. Again, it's a complete package. 2025 Honda CR-V. It's not that difficult to justify why the 2025 CR-V is one of the best small SUVs you can buy right now. It's far better than its predecessors, and it's sure better than other SUVs within its price range. It performs impressively on the road, and the way it drives is really comfortable and safe for its passengers. The CR-V is fitted with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine under its hood, and this one generates up to 190 horsepower and 179 pound-foot of torque, basically allowing the SUV to provide a responsive and efficient driving experience. It has an enhanced fuel efficiency too, especially if you're opting for its hybrid variant that combines a 2-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. The 2 electric motors adds more 10 horses into the equation, boasting a total of 204 horsepower. This hybrid system achieves an impressive EPA rating of up to 40 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a fuel-savvy SUV. Inside the CR-V is a cabin that is too spacious for its size. It even offers up to 41 inches of rear legroom, surpassing many competitors and ensuring comfort for all passengers. The rear doors are designed to open at a nearly 90-degree angle, facilitating easy ingress and egress, which is especially beneficial for installing child seats. Standard features across trims include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, dual-zone automatic climate control, and the comprehensive Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. But how does this SUV drives? Well, one word: refined. In particular, the 2025 CR-V offers a refined and engaging driving demeanor, with its suspension, for example, tuned to be balanced comfort and precision. It's effective in absorbing road imperfections while keeping a responsive handling. I also find its steering accurate and crisp, not too firm and not too squishy either. It easily provides you, as the driver, with a sense of control and confidence.